Hello traders, welcome back to the DerivNavigator Academy. In today's video, we'll be looking at the best times to trade in Forex, okay? And we'll also be focusing on the Deriv, right, particularly. But let us start generally. First of all, for you to understand the best times to trade in Forex, you have to understand this. There is something called Forex market sessions, okay? And there are 4 of them. So what are these sessions that are in Forex? First of all, we have the Sydney market Forex market session. This market runs between 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. Green Meridian time. So you can convert this time to the particular country that you belong, okay? The second time, okay, so in the Sydney session, in the Sydney Forex market session, we have a quiet, lower volatility, and it is best for AUD and NSD pairs, or basically Australian dollars and New Zealand dollars pairs. I don't know if we can find such a pair here. Let me try and look for AUD and NSD. But basically, if any pair that contains AUD and NSD, you are safe trading it, okay? Let me look for, this one. In the Australian, in the Sydney market session, this is the most favorable pair to trade it during this time, okay? As I've said, it has a quiet and lower volatility. As you can see, we don't have any spikes or dips at any given moment, okay? So it is very favorable for that. Okay, for the second session, we have the Tokyo Forex market session. For the Tokyo session, it runs between 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Green Meridian time, GMT, okay? So please convert it to your time. Now, what happens during this session? It is very active for JPY pairs. What do I mean? Any pair that contains JPY is very favorable during this moment. USD JPY, let me come and look for it so that you can see. Where's USD JPY? We have USD JPY, which is very favorable during this time. We have Euro JPY, all right, this one here. We have GBP JPY, this one, okay? All these pairs that contain JPY are very favorable because they are very active during this moment, all right? So that is between 12 a.m. to 9 a.m. Green Meridian time, all right? The third session that you have is the London session, okay? The London session runs between 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay? Now, what happens during this session? It is most liquid and volatile. All right? It is good for GBP, or basically British pounds, EUR or euros, and USD pairs. So any pair that contains GBP, EUR, or basically euros and USD is very favorable. Example, when I come here, during the London session, GBP, we have EUR. This is very favorable to trade during this London session between 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Okay, we have GBP, which is also very favorable. Okay, this one is actually more favorable because it contains both. Okay, and the USD, and any pair that contains USD, you are safe trading during this time, the London session. And finally, we have the New York session. This runs between 1 p.m. and 10 p.m. Okay, Green Meridian time. Okay, it is the second most liquid, and the USD pairs are very active. During this time, please put your focus on USD pairs because they are very, very active during this moment. Okay, yeah, so in Forex, basically, we have 4 sessions. We have the Sydney session, we have the Tokyo session, we have the London session, and then you have the New York session. As a trader, you have to understand all these sessions and learn how you can use them to trade effectively so that you can make your profit at the end of the day. Now, what are the best trading times on Deriv? All right, because most of us are in Deriv who are watching this. Now, what is the best trading time on Deriv? Let us get directly into it without wasting any other time. And guys, before you continue, please ensure you subscribe so that you reach out to more individuals and like this video. All right, let us go. The best trading times on Deriv are this. We have the London and New York overlap. Okay, I repeat, we have the London and New York overlap. This is between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. Green Meridian time. What happens during this overlap? We have the highest volatility, especially for Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. I repeat, we have the largest volatility for Euro USD, GBP USD. I don't know if I can find it here. Okay, yeah, GBP USD, And then you have USD JPY, or basically US dollars and Japanese yen. Okay, this is the highest volatility for those currencies, and it is the great day for day traders. And if you know you're a scalper or you're a day trader, this is very favorable to you. Okay, now we have the London session between, as I said, 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Green Meridian time. During this session, we have strong liquidity and we have good moves for EUR and GBP pairs. I repeat, we have strong liquidity and good moves for euros and British pound pairs. Okay, that is during the London session. Okay, and the last session, as I said, is Tokyo, London. Okay, so these are basically an overlap. The best trading times on Deriv. Tokyo, London overlap. This is between 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Green Meridian time. Please, guys, you can be noting this or pause the video and rewind so that you can listen to this, okay? And if you need the document that contains all this information, WhatsApp me right now. I'll give you it for free as long as you have subscribed and turn on as long as you subscribe and turn on that notification bell and send a screenshot to me. I'll give you this document for free, at least so that you can have more comprehensive understanding when it comes to it. Okay, yeah, so the Tokyo London overlap, which is between 7 a.m. to 9 a.m. Green Meridian time, we have medium volatility, and it is good for JPY pairs before London fully opens. Okay, yeah, and tips, guys, when you're trading on Forex on Deriv, please stick to major pairs: Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY during overlaps for tight spreads. All right, and guys, avoid trading during a very low volatility hours, late Sydney session or before Tokyo opens. This can be very risky to you. The other tip, guys, always check for economic news releases, e.g. NFP interest rates that can create huge moves. All right, and finally, use the Deriv synthetic indices if you want 24/7 volatility. But for Forex, please, guys, stick to market overlaps. All right, yeah. So, guys, if you want to start trading in Forex, please put all this into consideration. And guys, please put down in the comment section which pair works for you, which one doesn't work for you, so that you can have a full conversation on this. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Please ensure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell so that we reach out to more individuals. And guys, please ensure you share to anyone who trades in Forex so that they don't miss out on this important information. But otherwise, guys, I appreciate you watching until the end. Classes are ongoing. If you're interested, WhatsApp me. And guys, let us meet in the next one.